Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salola. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. So Ugogos Koteni was actually accused by Queen Loli that she was having it off with Mpumelelo Mseleku. You guys, according to Queen Loli, rather, they had a cloth in front of her then best friend Ugogoma Weni during her Sangoma festival, or Ubungoma festival rather. Now, under this video that was shared on a TikTok interview with Queen Lulu, of course, Gogos Kotini took it upon herself to comment and became sarcastic about what the video was saying, and this is what she had to say. She said, "Aibo indaba engaka yaze yafeba na ingani othiwa uZukhotheni Jehova." Basically meaning, Aibo, this is such shocking news. This girl is such a bitch Jehovah. Anyways, you guys, she didn't confirm nor deny those allegations that she has been having it off with Musamseleku's son, Umpumelelo Mseleku, who is known as a popular skirt chaser, you guys. Anyways, please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and so also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Do you think that Umpumelelo Mseleku and Gogos Koteni actually did the deed? I will definitely and surely be seeing you on my next one. Thank you, bye, and may God bless you all.